Y'all, let me tell you, this headband wig is the shit, okay? And look at the texture. You see the texture of this hair? Where do I start? I'm in love. Okay, you guys, so here's how my hair came packaged. They did give me a wig stand head. I love their boxing. Look at this. Super cute. I'm definitely going to be keeping this box. Let's see all the goodies in here. So they sent me 3 extra headbands. Okay, so I have this solid burgundy one. I have this navy blue and yellow white stripe one. And then I have this floral pink one. That's cute as well. Of course, they sent me a little pouch with some goodies. I got a comb. I got 2 lobster clips, some hairpins, and here's the information sheet on the hair, just in case you would like to get this exact one. And I also have a stocking cap. Oh, and I even have a little edge brush. Okay, and here's the wig. It does come in this protective sleeve. Okay, and here is the headband wig. As you can see, it is a headband attached to a wig. I'm all about my Yaki texture. I just love this texture. It gotta be by far my favorite texture because it always mimics my hair so well. And to secure the headband, it does have like some Velcro on the back, and it does have extra combs on each side as well, the top and in the back. Okay, you guys, so I did go ahead and straighten my wig. Oh, you see. All right. Okay, step 1, put on the wig. I'm not even gonna let y'all see what's under here. Step 2, attach the Velcro. Okay, step 3, pull back and adjust your headband, and voila, that's it. 3 easy steps. Okay, so I will be using the Style Factor Edge Booster on my edges. Then just lightly push it back. Okay, so I have my edges all sleeked back. See, really cute, simple, and easy. So you guys know I also received other headbands as well, and I think I want to go with this one. So we're going to put this one right on top of this one. Don't mess up my babies. Bring it right on top of this one. So you can wear any headband on top of it if you want to do a little bit more than the black one. You see here? Still have my edges exposed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face really quick and I'll be back. Y'all, let me tell you, this headband wig is the shit, okay? I am so in love with this. This right here is my ish. Like, okay. Where do I start? I'm in love. No lie. Y'all know, like, I wear a lot of wigs, so I have a lot of cute days and I have a lot of off days. And this is perfect for one of my off days when I gotta go run errands. Ooh, go to the pool because it's getting hot. But yeah, y'all, this wig is like so bomb. I love it. The hair feels amazing. Look at the texture. You see the texture of this hair? Like, it just mimics my texture straightened or relaxed. It's just so bomb. No tangles or anything like that. Love this wig. I would have this wig forever. But let me go ahead, let me show you guys that you can put it into a ponytail. Don't pay attention to my naps, okay? Look past that. Let me put it in the bun. So as you see here, you can put it up in a bun if it's too hot or you just do not want your hair down. You want to pull it up and expose that beautiful face of yours, okay? Go get this wig, sis. Easy, simple. See, I slayed those edges, okay? I know my face glowing. It's glowing, huh? I'm glowing, okay. Now let's take this down. And let's try on this headband. All right, let's take this one off. And we're gonna put on this one, which is also cute. I love this solid burgundy one. Like, oh my. All right, you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely click the link down below so you can go get your lifesaver wig. Okay, sis? And also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video and all my different looks and which headband do you like the best. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.